Ugandan opposition leader Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, popularly known as Bobi Wine, has released a dramatic video message detailing what he describes as repeated military and police raids at his home, forcing him to flee for his life. Bobi Wine says he fled home after military raids, accuses Museveni regime of targeted intimidation. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipinda pankwa ile mnamuda yukamchinzi. In the video released on Saturday on X, Bobi Wine says he has been in hiding for 8 days after receiving intelligence that the security forces had been ordered to harm him. He claims the operations were carried out on the instructions of Muhoozi Kainerugaba and the chief of the defense forces. According to Bobi Wine, the first incident occurred on the night of January 16 when soldiers allegedly jumped over the fence of his residence. He says he managed to escape before they could enter the house. A second attempt followed days later, during which he says soldiers verbally abused his wife and threatened to break into the home. The third and most severe raid, he claims, took place the night before his statement. Bobi Wine alleges that hundreds of soldiers stormed the property, breaking down every door, vandalizing household items, and seizing critical personal and family documents, including academic certificates and late title deeds. He says all electronic devices were taken, including laptops belonging to his children, internet equipment, and CCTV system, which he claims were also destroyed. He further alleges that his wife was held at gunpoint and pressured to reveal his whereabouts, and that security officers attempted to force her to unlock phones and laptops. Bobi Wine framed the alleged raids as acts of desperation by what he called an illegitimate and panicking regime, questioning why such actions would be necessary if the government was confident in its electoral mandate. He also claimed that several senior opposition figures had been abducted and arrested, including 2 deputy presidents of his movement, whose whereabouts he said remain unknown. In his message, Bobi Wine appealed to the international community to maintain close attention on Uganda, describing the current moment as critical. He urged Ugandans to remain strong and smart and resilient, insisting that intimidation would not end the struggle for political change. He confirmed that he is not at home because his wife remains under threat, but said he would continue communicating while in hiding. He vowed to re-emerge at what he described as the appropriate time to advance the struggle. We must never give up our country, he said. We shall overcome. We shall be free. People power, our power. Authorities have not issued an official response to the allegations at the time of publication. Doma developments aripo. Kana comment section medu za fungura emote kulipa msubichi tukulichi. Subscribe or like, check out the bell icon.